Hi friends, Little Village Homestead at Shannon's house. We are going to make an awesome stir fry in our cast iron cauldron, right?
Yep. We got all kinds of goodies.
Yeah.
We were going to do kebabs.
Yeah, we were.
We forgot the skewers,
Yeah.
so we decided to do a big stir fry. And we're going to bring you along with us.
It'll be fun.
And yummy. These, friends, are out of my garden. I picked these out of my garden, even a little patty pan. But we're going to save that for David. David isn't here. He's down in Ohio.
Yeah.
So we're just going to set this over here for you. We're going to save that for David. But I got all these beautiful squash out of my garden yesterday. I picked them out of there. And before it started to rain. I was going to do a walk around yesterday. I got to do my week 4 garden tour.
Yeah.
But remember, it rained for 2 days?
Yeah.
And then the one day that it was nice, I was too busy doing all the storm damage and cleaning up and, you know, getting everything back put together. And then yesterday I was going to do that walk around, and it started raining about 10 minutes before I got everything ready. So,
Well, we can walk around my hot mess of a garden.
oh, she's got a beautiful garden. We'll show you hers. I don't think you want all these in there, do you? Or do you want leftovers, no?
I mean, we could, but...
Yeah, you know what? Because then you can have leftovers. Yeah, we will do that. These have already been washed, so all I got to do is trim those and cut them off. I'm just going to slice these up because the chickens are going to get all these end pieces. They're going to love it. These are young and tender squash, and they are so good. You like these plastic mats?
I don't know.
I like the
got
wood.
It for me. So,
I think I like the wood better.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a wood one, don't you?
Yeah. See over here to your left?
Yeah, I gotta have the wood. That's what I like. Right there. I know some people like those, but I like the wood chopping blocks. Alright. Much better. So I'm just going to slice these just like so. That was a little thick. I got a little ahead of myself. Little baby one. I love this nice sharp chef's knife. This is a nice one.
It's Samantha got me that set.
Yeah.
Well, she bought it for David because he's, you know.
Now, do you got a big bowl somewhere? I don't know where any of your stuff is. I don't remember.
How big of a bowl? Like.
Well, it's got to put all our veggies in it.
Oh, okay.
Even the colander would be fine. Are you hungry, Kip?
Yeah.
Do you like zucchini and summer squash and potatoes and
Oh yeah.
mushrooms and peppers? And then I marinated the beef. We're doing a stir fry instead because we forgot. You got to come over here and say hi. This is Ryan. This is Shannon's son.
Hello.
You're taller than the camera. Oh, these are going to be so good. people.
It's a lot of food for 3.
Oh, you gotta get the meat out of the fridge and we'll show them that.
Well, you want to wait on that? Or...
That's gotta start cooking first, doesn't it?
I think so. Her marinated meat.
I used, on that meat, that's chicken and beef marinated together. Which some people will say, no, you can't do that because the salmonella will get into the beef. Only if you cook it rare, or medium rare, or whatever.
No, we're cooking it all the way through.
We're cooking the chicken and the beef well done. Therefore, it's safe for me to marinate those together. I used a half a cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of, it's all right here, hang on. A quarter cup of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of lemon, a tablespoon of honey, pepper, and a couple tablespoons of garlic. That's what I got in there.
Can't wait.
And it's been marinating for about 4 hours now, I would say, right?
Yeah.
It's been marinating since 1:30. What time is it?
Almost 7 maybe?
Oh, wow. It's that late?
Yeah. I'm gonna go see if, do you want oil in here?
Yes.
More than
Yep.
olive, okay?
Huh? Yeah,
Olive,
oh,
okay?
definitely olive oil.
I'm gonna go see if he can.
Organic olive oil. We got quite a bit in there in that meat, so I put a good couple tablespoons in there. Probably 3. Okay, so now that we got that all cut up, that's for the chickens. Ooh, they're gonna get a treat. Take a look there, friends. All those beautiful veggies cut up in there. I oiled up our big cauldron pan, and I told you about the marinade. So we will be back when we get all this started putting together.
Ooh,
Tell me what you think of that smell.
amazing.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
It smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mmm. That was a good marinade. It's a good thing we cut up all these vegetables because we've got a lot of meat here.
Yeah.
But you know, you can freeze this too, already prepared,
Oh yeah.
and just heat it later, so nothing will go to waste.
That's good.
We want this heated before we want that screaming hot when we put the meat in. I didn't put this in, this is screaming hot in here. And if you got it screaming hot, your food is not going to stick to it. I did not put this meat in a bowl. I'm just going to dump it right in here. This is just real life. I didn't put it in a fancy bowl for the video. This is just real life. And I threw my marinade right in there with it because it's got all the seasoning in there. It's been marinated together, and I'm cooking it together. You can see the peppercorns in there, or the cracked pepper. You can smell that, can't you?
It smells so good.
It certainly does. Now we're just going to let that cook for a little bit. You know how tender that's going to be?
Oh, I can feel how tender the meat
Oh,
is.
it's just wonderful. And that's boneless, skinless chicken thighs and boneless. I did roast. I cut up a half a roast. So it's going to be delicious. And it's in bigger chunks because when I cut it up, I initially cut it up for the kebabs. But that don't matter because it's going to be so tender it'll fall apart. Okay, friends. This is ready to add the veggies to, but see this beautiful juice down in here? Now, I don't know how some of you do this, and again, this is not a how-to, this is a how we do. See that juice right down there? I moved my meat up a little bit, okay? We got a cornstarch slurry. And we're just going to add that right to it. And it's not going to thicken it like gravy, but it's just going to make it like a glaze. And it'll just glaze the vegetables so that the veggies will have all that lovely flavor. All right,
Ready?
you can start pouring them in. Look at all that. Beautiful. And they'll make a little more juice to add to that too.
Oops, there you go, puppy.
All right, now we're just going to put the lid on this, just like that. And we're just going to let it steam.
I love chicken. I love them. They make me so happy.
You like mine.
Yeah.
See how that's glazing all those veggies? It's beautiful. All right. That should be good for a little bit.
Oh.
It's all done. And oops. There you go. Look how nice that turned out.
Here you go. Andrew. My nephew popped in, so
We got enough to feed an
we're
army.
feeding him.
Thank you.
You get another bowl. And we have homemade bread, don't forget.
Oh yeah, I made Amish white bread. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Yep, that's our kebabs and the pickers.
Mm-hmm.
You what?
I said I couldn't get all the bowls out here.
I'll bring it.
Oh, I'm just gonna run this one to Ryan. Oh, that still looks so yummy.
Doesn't it look wonderful?
Yes. Amazing.
All right, I'll put some in yours. This would be a good dish for camping too. You know?
Mm-hmm.
You ever go camping?
Not like legit camping, but